What's going on, YouTube? Right now I'm headed over towards Ithaca. We're going to some kind of waterfall and having some kind of adventure. Don't really have anything planned depending on the crowds or the weather, so we shall see soon. I'll keep you updated. Right now I'm at the Ithaca Farmers Market, walking around, grabbing some food, checking out what's over here. So it's been a little while since we've been here, so figured beautiful day, might as well look at it. This year I purchased a New York State Park Pass, which gives me access to all the different state parks throughout the state. Here is Taughannock Falls, which is located just outside of Ithaca, New York. Taughannock State Park has awesome trails going around their whole park, which are featuring a whole bunch of their waterfalls and their steep, deep valleys that were formed by all the glaciers that came through. They also have a few parking lots in different locations to go to see their overlooks, their upper falls, and their main attraction, their 215-foot freshwater waterfall at the end of the trail. This awesome little visitor center is located right at the overlook and has t-shirts, cups made by local artists. Also has somebody there that's always with a smiling face, ready to chat about the history and what's going on locally. They also have all the brochures and maps for the local attractions around the area. And we were even able to witness a proposal at the falls. Thanks for sticking through the whole video and watching it. If you haven't yet, please hit that little subscribe button. Keep on coming back for more. I've been filming every day with MYLZ out here, just doing a bunch of different adventures, trying to get a bunch of footage. A lot more campers are coming in, so I'll be showing a bunch of new camper videos. So just keep on coming back. And if you have any subjects or any questions that you want me to approach, just ask. Let me know. Reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, everyone. I wouldn't do this without you.